So, you guys still haven't told me. Where did it all come from?
Antioch.
Antioch. Wow, this come out of Antioch? That's nice. Both lockers out of Antioch today?
We only bought one.
Don't even dig any further. Just throw that right into the garbage can.
Cool. Are you serious?
Garbage can.
No.
I'm
Yeah.
cutting. What do we got in here? I bet there's a white snake tape in here. I don't know why I feel it, but there's a white snake tape
Foreigner.
in here.
ABBA.
A lot of Playboy.
No white snake.
John Lennon and Yoko Ono. I
Michael
told you.
Jackson.
Billy Joel. Neil Young. Comes a time when you're drifting. Comes a time when you settle down. Oh, this
right there?
whole world
Yeah.
keeps
Okay, we'll figure this
spinning
out.
round. It's a wonder. Oh, fuck, I love tips. You know that, right? I really like tips.
Alex.
Even on an old lady.
What's that, sir?
Oh, is there a white snake tape in there? I know I feel like a white snake tape up in here.
Neil Diamond.
Lester Bread, Glenn Campbell, Janis Joplin, Three Dog
Porno.
Those are all Uncle Michael's favorites.
Planet Family Stone.
Ray-Bans, look at that. That's money right there. That's money
Cheap
right
ones.
there. Foster Grant, that's still a good one.
Ray-Ban.
Yeah, those are money. Those are eBay.
The lens fell out of that one.
Ooh, nice ones. Nice ones. Which one?
You step on that side and make your feet.
My feet or his feet?
Your feet.
Let's see.
Oops.
Easy.
Oh, the things you find in the storage unit.
What's amazing is some of the stuff you wonder why did they keep it, right?
Like this clock right here.
Ooh,
is
that's nice.
It's broken. You don't even want to see no more of this box.
It's broken. Snapshots.
What is this?
That's a homemade photo album.
Ooh.
Oh my god. Collectibles.
Neat.
What's this? Baseball cards. Is that what you guys are looking for?
I'm hoping to find a Mickey Mantle rookie in this
A
unit.
couple baseball cards.
Just two cards in particular. Who's
Oh,
that?
I want like a grade 9 Mickey Mantle
is
rookie. That would make me happy.
Some
yeah.
hot chick.
There's a bunch of
The key to
baseball
doing this is
cards.
you have to try to manifest what you want.
Okay.
What's that?
Are you ready?
Dog jacket.
Digital
ready?
tire gauges.
Okay. Ooh, look how old these are.
Anything over
$6, $5.
Can you let's hold this flat.
Oh, that was Buzz. You see that?
Hold it like that. Yeah, there you go. Turn the page. These are pretty old cards.
Yep.
That's nice. Easy with them when you do that.
$10.
Yeah.
Can you see a year?
15.
Wow. That's way back when.
Exactly.
Oh my god, they're going to be worth a lot more now.
I don't know. We'll see.
One by one. Looking for a year on this. $1925.
They're
Wow.
not 1925. They're 1957. You look at the last year on the league and you add a year usually.
Yeah, I just want to make sure, you know,
$50, $35, yeah.
We'll start early, 9-ish or something, we'll use it for an hour or two.
Honey
Just
Bank,
get
that's a
that
good one.
terracotta loaded, it's a lot of weight. Well, we'll get the crap on first and then we'll put the terracotta on the back. So see about 8:30? 8:30 to 9 in that area?
Nice. Alrighty, what do we got? Ooh.
Oh my
I
god.
know who's gonna buy this too.
Nice.
See ya?
They are military,
What the
buddy.
hell? Look how old those are.
Tom Scott.
Those aren't baseball.
No, they're football, but they're old. They're probably the same year because it's about when this guy was collecting things.
Well, look for a year.
Probably the year he was born.
1930. Oh, that's their.
First year. Football doesn't generally do the whole year to year like they did on the baseball and all of them. See any names you know? Dub Air 4. I got it, Dan.
Well, I'm going to be giving you $10 anyways.
For what?
The book and probably that violin.
I
There's
see.
10.
Well, that violin's more than 10.
Drink as well.
Oh, these are the
Sure.
ones. I'm alright.
They're not signed. This is the way those cards came that year, sir.
Let's crack them up a little bit so they can one part a little better.
Be easy with them.
They're stuck.
It's pretty neat.
A little bit of history, huh?
It's cool.
Already, I mean, you guys
A
have gone the
gold.
gamut.
What's the gamut?
The whole circuit.
I mean, we had nothing to sell this weekend, right, Alex?
Nothing.
We've already gone through everything.
Well, we
that
had
we've-
some stuff, but
Yeah.
What's
It would have
the
been like a.
rates?
we
Nope.
don't know yet.
Oh, you brought the specialized bike back, or is that another one?
We're gonna have to do some more unboxing tomorrow. It's
That one
obvious
was
we're
in
not
this
gonna get to all
unit.
this.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
It wasn't in this one. It does not match nothing like.
Well, that's the same one from before.
Cubs.
Huh?
Yeah, that's the bike from the 7400.
That is a nice bike, though.
All right. How many more of these we got? These are all the same. Yeah.
I'm surprised you ain't got no bites on that yet.
All right, we're good. If he had to make you man, I trust and believe that's gonna be in the thing. That's nice. That's nice right there. What year
Okay,
is those?
open it up. I'll put it on this. And the snapshots, too.
I'll have to look that up. Mock photos. Those go back to the customer. Bring those back with us. Looks intriguing. What do we got here?
Cards.
What are those cars? Old car cards.
Oh no. Oh, those are worth money on those ones.
I don't know.
I know those are baseball cards.
I don't know. Doesn't mean they can't be worth money though. They're
Yeah.
old.
Anything old.
Yeah. Look at that. It's weird. You're just like thumbing through everything real fast.
This really reminded me of the locker that I did.
I like that. I like that. I have to look those up.
Oh, it's got a JVC camera in there. Yep.
It's not latched.
There it is.
What is it? Love nuts. What's this? I know you like to look past that stuff and leave it at the end, so I figured it would make you nervous by me grabbing it. Sir, here you go.
It's the same box we found earlier. That's the same time we're gonna. Not.
So you're handing it to me.
Yeah.
I'm not impressed.
Me neither.
That's right, I didn't grab it.
Isn't it? Isn't that
Damn.
numbered on the back? What was wrong with the camera?
Nothing, I was just hoping. Ooh! I'm gonna let you look at that.
What is it?
No one gets to look at it right now.
Huh?
Oh, it's an Elvis gold record. Limited edition. I don't know what it is really. What is it?
The Jailhouse Rock.
Yeah,
Yeah.
30 of 90 of those.
Wow.
That's got to be worth something. What we got in there?
The thumbnail.
You feel me? You're juiced about what you just found.
nice.
No.
Look, it's a big difference right now. He wants to be filmed.
That's
because
nice.
what he just found.
Do your jailhouse rock.
What is it?
Is it recording already?
Should be.
All right, you're kind of dark.
I have the light off because the battery's going down. This right here is a signature, I'm pretty sure, of Mickey Mantle. That's what it's looking like.
It is too.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Certificate of authenticity is hereby certified. This item, which accompanies this document, has been signed by Mickey Mantle and guarantees its
Wow.
authenticity. That's worth a few $100.
Yes, it is. Every bit of a few $100.
That's nice right there.
Only a couple hundred?
Probably more than
Yeah.
a couple hundred.
It's not PSA, so it's just like a regular COA. It gives it character and authenticity, but it's not like the gold standard like JSA and PSA. Which
Put it over here by the Elvis
It's
record.
nice.
And the
It's
jailhouse
nice.
rock.
Right here, buddy.
No, it's this. It's
All right. It says first issue.
He's even got
Sports
silica sand in
illustration.
there.
still.
Oh, is that what that is? I thought that was salt. I used to put it on my food.
Kind of dry.
If I can even open it.
You're just
That's
pulling it
gonna be
out
worth
there.
something too.
I wouldn't open it.
You wouldn't?
No.
Well, what's the got on the back side of it? Anything?
They're just- I think
It's
you
gonna
have-
be in its own separate bag. That right there says the first issue of Sports Illustrated. That's pretty cool. I don't know much about that. It's the first issue.
You gotta
It's
pull
a
this
zip.
back and then unzip it.
That's really taking care of that.
It's not meant to be opened. Oh, don't wreck that. Come on. I'm giving up so easily.
What's in here?
Let's see.
Can we open this?
Oh man, maybe it is. Oh no.
Guys, this is a Ziploc. Come on.
Yeah, you flip it back
No.
and then
Do we need a knife to cut it?
It's like a thing
You
of
could
cheese.
cut it,
think
but
we wanna
I was
cut it.
It's not.
thinking-
It's just a bag. It's not
I
a
don't think you wanna
priceless
cut it.
magazine. We're just trying to get the magazine open.
Well, where's the razor?
I was gonna do it all hell unprofessional. He's just gonna cut
you
the
gotta be on
magazine.
the other side
I
of
wasn't
the
getting
thing.
carried
That's
away.
not
It's
gonna
like we're
help
just
you.
gonna take it out because we're gonna put it in our own new Ziploc bag.
You might not even put it in a Ziploc bag.
No. Let it get some air. No, put it in this.
There we go. We'll just put it right back
Put it
in there.
in
We'll
that
fold
one
it
with
over.
The silica.
Put it nicely in there.
Yeah. Because
Just be careful with the condition of it. That's what we're concerned with. Whoops.
So whip it.
There's a certificate.
What does it say?
Here.
Be very careful with that. It's in good condition.
It's in its own plastic too.
This wasn't even in its own plastic.
August 16th, 1954, first issue.
25 cents.
January 28th, 1994.
That's when it was COA'd by Sports Illustrated. This box was great. Mickey Mantle, COA signature, Elvis Presley rare, 3 of 90 platinum record. First issue, Sports Illustrated, all these old cards. That was a trip. I like this box. I see a Three Stooges right here. What do you mean there's a Three Stooges?
Look.
Larry Curly and Moe.
We got a new haircut Uncle Mike got going on.
Mike.
See that new